Back at Fiery Furnace we are. Oh, whoops. I don't remember much about this level. Oh. Halfway point. Ah! I don't know why I got hit there, but that was not cool. Get out of the way, you stupid cutlass. Thank you. I saw ya. Now we got these guys out of the way. No! I thought I was gonna make it, but guess not. Huh, whoops. Rats. Okay, can we like clear the level as quickly as possible? I'm starting to get itchy just by doing this level. That's just not fair. Okay, I gotta stop making these mistakes. Oh, whoops. Oh no, not again. You're not killing me. Oh no. Where'd the K go? Oh, I got all the Kong letters and I forgot that they don't appear until I clear the level. here we have the bonus. It's not an easy one at that one either. It's a shame they have to redo the entire level if you mess it up. Man, that was close. Oh, I remember this part. Ah, stupid zinger. Well, at least I get that banana coin. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Here's Black Eye's battle. I'll see you there.